In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Trello. If you've ever left a note on a card and later realized it's outdated or posted it in the wrong place, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and confidently. Start by opening the Trello board where the comment lives, and then click the specific card to open its back. The card back is the detailed view that shows everything about the task, from descriptions and checklists to attachments and conversations. Next, scroll down to the Activity section. This is the running history for the card. It includes comments as well as other actions taken by you and your teammates. Take a moment to scan through the feed and locate the exact comment you want to remove. Double-check the text and timestamp so you're certain you're deleting the right one. When you've found it, look directly underneath that comment. On many desktops, you'll see a delete option. On some devices, especially mobile, you may first need to tap or click the three dots icon to reveal the delete choice. Go ahead and select Delete. Trello will then ask you to confirm, which is there to prevent accidental removals. Confirm by clicking Delete Comment. Once confirmed, the comment disappears from the activity feed for that card. If you don't see the change immediately, a quick refresh of the card view or page usually clears it up. This small cleanup step keeps discussions focused and reduces clutter, especially on busy project cards with long histories. Interface wording may vary over time, but the flow remains the same. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. In most workspaces, you can only delete comments you wrote yourself. Administrators might have additional permissions, depending on settings. Also, deleting a comment is typically permanent, so make sure you won't need the text later. If the information is still useful, but simply needs refining, you might prefer to keep it and post an updated comment for clarity, rather than removing history entirely. That's all there is to it. Open the board, open the card, scroll to Activity, find the comment, choose Delete, and confirm. Simple, quick, and effective cleanup for your Trello conversations. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing for more clear, no-fluff tutorials. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this video and how we can improve future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.